Don't do any mischief. Okay. Yes, he have a good business. And I'm opulent because of this business.
You ruined my entire business. Get out of my house. You were busy with your phone. Why couldn't you stop your child? Get out now.
This is all my fault. I have an idea. Give me a packet of seeds which give crops very quickly. Wow! Sorry, Mom. Dad, come quickly. There is a surprise for you. I am so happy. Yay!
Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.